Hi everyone, I'm going to teach you how to read the notes from the music today. So before starting your K-pop piano learning, you need to know how to read the notes from the music. Got it? So I'm sharing my screen here. And many of my students at awesomekpop.com, they come to learn K-pop piano classes, but they don't know how to read the notes in the music. So I usually wrote down the alphabet letters to them, but hope this class can help you and those students too learn how to read the notes from the music. Okay? So music has five lines. 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And today we're going to learn the right hand part first. This is called treble clef. Okay. And this is our face, right? So what is the spelling of face? It's F-A-C-N-E, right? So F. So first space note is F. Second space note A. Third space note C. And the fourth space note E. Okay, face. It's easy to memorize, right? F, A, C, and E in the order from the first bass note, second, third, and the last. Okay? And we can fill out the other notes too. So, music has A, B, C, D, E, F, G, no H. And then again, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, so keep repeating. So A, B, C, D, E, F, keep going, right? So on. And then between F and A, so A, B, C, D, E, F, G, right? So you can put in this order A, B, C, D, E, F, G by singing the alphabet song. And actually, you know how to read face, right? And then for other line notes, line note means notes in the line. So every, you can memorize like this. Every good burger, and then deserves right? Deserves fries. Okay, so every good burger deserves fries. I love French fries, especially McDonald's. French fries are the best in the world. Fries, okay? So remember like this. So every good burger deserves fries. And then face. So every good burger deserves fries for the line note. Line note means the notes with the line, on the line, okay? And then face for the space note. Space note is like sandwich. The note, like the s'more. You put the marshmallow between the biscuits, right? So it's like marshmallow note. Okay, between the lines. Okay, those notes are F-A-C-N-E, right? Good to memorize. Okay, and you need to know one more. So this is middle C. So we put the notes with the line here because it should be like, let me draw this. It should be like this. Okay. One more line. But we just limit the line in like for only this notes. So this notes with the line is called C, middle C. Middle C. Okay. Middle C. And then between C and E, it's A, B, C, D, E. Right? Good? So far? Okay, so just remember F, A, C, and E, and every good burger deserves fries in the treble clef. So you can learn which music note gets which alphabet letter. Okay, good. Okay, so some countries they learn do re mi fa sol la si do or ti do. But let me teach you in the alphabet letter, so it's easier to. Some country doesn't doesn't have like do re mi fa sol la si do system. So let me just use alphabet. Okay, everyone. And then next we're gonna learn the left hand part. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines, and for the left hand we use bass clef. Bass. Okay, right? And remember, in the treble clef, F was here, right? The first space note from the bottom. But we need to pull this down one space lower. Okay, right? This is F in bass clef. Okay, remember? This was F in the treble clef, right? But bass clef, we just put it down a little bit. one space note down. Okay, so it was here. We'll move it to the one space note lower. Okay, so F. And then here, A, going C, E. Right? So you can fill out other notes too between the notes. Right? Here too. So let me raise bass clef. And yeah. So every good burger deserves fries. The same thing. Okay. Before F, you can start. Okay. Every other notes. And I told you A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. You can know just A, B, C, D, E, F, G, right? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and then A, B, C, and keep going. Okay? So before E, so C, T, something like this. Okay? So remember face F, A, C, E in the bass clef, and if it's possible to memorize every good burger deserves fries, French fries. Okay. And it's hard for you, if it's hard for you to memorize every good burger deserves fries, it's confusing, then just memorize phrase. Okay. So in the travel class, do you remember where your F was? Yeah, was from the first space no. Remember? Yeah. First space no. So F was here. Yeah. Okay, F. But in the bass clap, F was here. Okay. Just remember those, and then build up other notes, FACE, and then you can fill in other notes by alphabet song, A, B, C, D, F, G, A, B, C, D, F, G, right? Now let me introduce the new thing here. Do you see this? Yeah, that's 2 lines. That is called double bar. Okay. If it's in 1 line only, then it is called measure. Just bar or measure. 1 measure is this. And you can say, oh, it's a measure 36. What bar is that? Oh, the bar is 20 something. You know, you can see that. Yeah. Bar number, measure number, 1 line. But if it's 2 lines, it's a double bar, and then you use a double bar when you want to change the music. Usually the double bar is it happens at the end of the music. When you want to change your clap signs, or you want to transpose, then yeah, you can use a double bar in the middle of the music. Okay. Alright everyone, so we learned how to read the notes from the music today. Okay? Okay? So, hope you can remember phrase F, A, C, and E, and then every good burgers deserve every good burger deserves fries, French fries. Okay. Yeah, so this is basic, very basic the music theory. So I'm going to continue the next the class, how to read the notes, the rhythms, and note value, like quarter notes, half notes next time. Okay, so subscribe our channel, and then yeah, see you later. Bye.